So anyways, this one goes out to Tanya. Tanya, without it, this chain would not have been possible. Dude, straight up, dude, not have been possible, dude. I think I would have been grounded, dude. Just like, alright, we're not gonna go in there. We're not gonna go in there. It's like a what am I on, dude? What am I on, dude? I'm trying to figure out what else. Fish up my chain, my fucking chain. Fucking chain. Yeah, my fucking chain. Once I cut it off, there's a way that you can bring the chain straight on through, or I gotta undo a bunch of shit and put it around, so that's why I'm trying to think. But I also gotta size the other chain. I gotta size this chain. It's like whatever, man. I'm just gonna take it all off and size the chain. And I'm gonna clean it and shit too, so I'm gonna take the shit off. Good shit, a little bit of sage. No, this is just like... Oh yeah, let's burn that shit. Alright, end the scene. It wasn't long enough. Okay guys, I'm working in the dock. I'm gonna cut the chain off. Gonna cut the chain off. Okay, I can cut it. But I use my safety glasses. Oh shit. Did I hit anything? I didn't. Alright, good shit. Hold that shit out. Did I hit anything? No. Right there. That is why it's not mechanical. Oh shit. Performed by professionals. Complete. To show me that it is in neutral. Very official biz. And it is in neutral. What the fucking shit, dude? This chain is so capable of coming off. Oh shit. Can't even slide this shit off, dude. Alright, I'm on board. Okay guys, I'm taking off the chain guard. Taking off the chain guard. are these teeth, dude? How are your teeth, dude? What the fucking shit? Gotta hit it with a fucking mallet, dude. That's what I gotta do. Oh my god. Alright guys, I got this motherfucker. No baby, it's a hot night. No baby. Alright dude, next process, cleaning. So you had a straight up brighten up to the day, dude. A straight up brighten up to the day, dude. A straight up brighten up today. I found a tool pretty easy. You found a tool pretty easy, dude. Hell yeah, dude. It was a straight up easy find, dude, for my chain brake, for my motorcycle. That didn't even, well, I guess you gotta grind fast. You gotta grind fast. Actually, like, what are they doing with that shit? Alright, dude. We're wiping this shit on down, dude. Give it a good wipe down. Giving this shit a good ass wipe down. Well, it needs a good spray down. It's a good spray down. Alright guys, I only have so much alcohol and so much time. I need to practice to get better first. It's like, do you see like the chain, dude? It's like you can see the chain, dude. You can see the chain, dude. Get it on through, dude. Get it on through, dude. 520 conversion on the CB, dude. A little lighter chain, a little lighter old chain. Well, it makes sense if I buy a little more expensive chain. Oh, shit. Yeah, but I just went to like a lighter, fucking less expensive chain because I can't afford a good chain. Right, dude. Well, honestly, dude, it'd be lighter rotating weight, dude, and you could buy a good chain, dude. You could buy a good chain. What the? Alright, man. Pretty shitty ass chain. It was about $50. It was actually $39. What do they go for? Like $189. For a good ass chain, for like a good ass chain. I wouldn't cheap out on the chain. I tried to cheap out on the chain one time. That one actually probably. I was like, that looks pretty fast. Little trial and error. Where does the chain go? Oh man, that chain's funny. Oh yeah, I put a rope back together and it was like the wrong way. The chain doesn't go that way. Well, that's what I feel like I'm doing right now. Oh my god. Learn my fucking lesson, dude. Alright, dude. It's like, what the hell? It's like someone help. It's like this is good news. I'm a mechanic, 100% possessed by my mechanic. I'll get it, dude. I should probably take this shit up just to make shizzle, Yeah, that shit coming off. Yeah. It's supposed to be pretty slowly and shit. Supposed to be pretty slowly. It takes forever. Yeah, honestly, I'm just trying to get support for the channel. Support for the channel. Get a block. Get a block. That's what it is. Get a block, dude. You can get a block. Usually people get bikes, dude. It's like, fuck yeah. Well, I like it, so. Rental bikes and shit. My dad, I'm gonna call it what it is. Tight to the touch, tight to the touch. Releases fast, dude. Right. Do I really give a shit? Just kidding, it's a hot. So you should give a shit. I should pay some guy to give a shit. More shits than I have. Okay. My thing is, dude, Alright, so I do need some links off of this shit. I think I need some links off of this shit. No, I need to get it off of this shit. Alright. We pull us from shits. Wish I could take a link off, dude. I wish I could take not sure. Moving now is touching it up. So my biggest shits is why does this master link come master linked already when I could just fucking throw it on and master link it, but now I gotta get it off. Do you understand what I'm saying? This shit is master linked already. Dude, what the fuck? It's not like in a cheap version. I break this, and I'm never getting my fucking shit. Holy shit, dude. Why the fuck is there a master link that is already master linked, dude? Shit is already master linked. What the fuck? It comes in pieces, bitches. No, I gotta get it out. NK Jones calling out the master. What's the cheap one? But who knows? Takasago change. Mr. Takasago. Crawls in my fucking alley. Oh man, dude, what other tool could I get, dude? Oh man, I might take a trip to Venice, dude. Oh, Venice Beach after this, dude. That would be oh my god. Alright, dude, I'm not any closer. I want to use my teeth, but that's not going to help on a piece of machinery. But I may not understand it yet. That's it. Holy fucking shit. Holy shit. There we go. There we fucking got it like a fucking wall. Shit is recording. Holy shit. You ain't got to explain the shit. Oh man. That's what pops into your head. That's what I've been listening to, dude. What, dude? You wanna rob someone, dude? Only if it's a fucking banker. You ain't got to explain shit. I've been robbing motherfuckers since the slave shit. Holy shit. Am I gonna have to do surgery later on this fucking piece? On this fucking piece, dude. Did you make the shit too short? Too long, dude, too long. All the long chains kinda go. Surgically removed one, dude. Alrighty, the chain is broken, Oh, that is smooth, definitely not the pro quality of my boy. Yeah. Well, I wish I had the link taken out. It's already out. Give it more stability. Yeah, but in the long run, I'm not paying attention. How much linkage did you put there? That the chick said give it an extra link, dude. My guy doesn't give it an extra link. Oh shit, dude. Antonio. You can't say this on YouTube, dude. You can't say this on YouTube, dude. You can't say that on YouTube, dude. Oh man, that Italy got so bad, dude. This is not good. Running a long wheelbase, everyone. I'm running a long wheelbase. Alright, you guys get the idea. I'm gonna turn it off while I get the adjustment. I need a guys, all in all, good luck on the chain replacement. Look who's laughing and not so shitty now. Not so shitty now. Great. It was a great ass episode. Yeah, it's ups, it's downs, it's shitty nows.